Hello guys, welcome to Judy Cooking 360. So today we're going to be making sweet and sour meatballs. We're going to be making sweet and sour meatballs. So I have here one pound of beef, and we're going to go ahead and season this up and get them frying. This is beef meatballs. So I'm adding just about a 3/4 teaspoon of meat seasoning, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of onion powder. Some Italian seasoning, just about a teaspoon. And a teaspoon of soy sauce. One egg. A half a teaspoon of white pepper. And a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. You know, it has to have a little zing going on in there. And then a half a cup of breadcrumbs. That's it. Ooh. Get this all seasoned up. Okay, that's it. So we're gonna make them about golf ball sizes, or a little smaller. See if my stove here is hot. We're going to fry these up, and while these are frying, we just want them to cook a little. Okay, I'm splishing and splashing all over on the stove. Now I'm going to be using 2 pots. You don't have to. You can, because I'm going to make the sauce and the vegetables in another one. You can cook these first in this pot and then cook your vegetables in the same pot. I just thought I'd go ahead and do it like this. Whatever makes it easier on you. Turn these a little. Now, let's turn this one over. Turn that one over. As you turn them over, you get a little bit more space. Turn these over if I can. Set your stove to medium. I'm just going to cover these and let them cook for a little. Now, we're going to do our vegetables. Now this is a half of an onion, half of a green bell pepper, and half of a red bell pepper. I'm going to make the sauce for the meatballs. I have a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper, a 1/4 cup of vinegar, two tablespoons of sugar, a teaspoon of sesame oil. You want to get that real authentic flavor. And a small can of tomato sauce. And just about a teaspoon of grated ginger. There we go. Let's give this a stir. When we were little as kids, there's a family across the street that used to make even strong chicken, meatball, whatever it was. And there's one green onion in my vegetables also. This is garlic that I'm doing. Like 2 heads of garlic. When it gets down where you can't do it anymore, just do another one. So it will be 3 heads of garlic, 3 cloves, 3 cloves, I'm sorry, 3 cloves of garlic. And the house used to smell so good with all this cooking. And here we go. Let's bring this over. Let's stir this up. And then we're going to add 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. Not soy sauce, cornstarch. cornstarch. 2 teaspoons of cornstarch, guys. This is already all cooked up. Now we're going to pour our sauce in here. Oh, this smells so good, guys. So good. So now we're gonna add our meatballs. Oh, the sauce is looking so good. It smells so good, guys. This is gonna be so delicious. You've got to try this. Turn your stove to medium. And you're just gonna let this cook for just a couple of minutes, just so that the sauce soaks up everything in it. Turn it down to about 3. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching Judy Cooking 360.